What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Nocturnal Labs. I am Neff. Today I'm gonna be comparing the TRmaker center plotter. If you guys could see, man, as soon as I seen this thing, I fell in love with it. But we are comparing the TRmaker center plotter with the Amazon center plotter. I mean, it does the job. You just don't have too much room in here if you want to do thicker materials. Like I usually work a lot with metal, so I can't fit, I think this is like 3/8 inch. I can't fit it in there. And the TRmaker, you have a whole bunch more room, plus you can move the bearings to this size over here and it becomes a little wider. So you can also do bigger pieces. So just like here, I'm putting it in here in the middle and I just roll that bad boy across. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's the line right in the middle. Now this Walmart one is a little bit different. This Walmart one's, I mean, it'll do the job. Not Walmart, I'm so sorry. This Amazon one, it'll do the job, but like I said, if you do work with thicker materials, it's gonna be pretty difficult because you can't fit it in there. But I have used it for thinner materials and it does work. Even a pencil barely fit in there, but it will mark. But like I said, this is the $25 and this one is like $68. And I gotta say too, TRmaker, they have outstanding customer service. We had a little issue today with this. It said it was delivered, but it was delivered supposedly to the wrong address. And I got a picture of everything at somebody else's door. So I emailed them, and I know in Turkey right now is a big time difference. And they actually emailed me back like maybe 2 minutes later, and they said, we're gonna do everything we can to make this right. But like 30 or 40 minutes later, it was actually delivered. And I let them know, that I did receive it. But, the customer service is outstanding. So that's a plus for that company. And by the way, from Turkey to here, we're in Texas. I received this in like 3 days, which is pretty freaking awesome. So if I had a project or something that I needed it for, bam, I already had it in hand. But man, I gotta tell you, this is pretty nice. It's got a lot of different pieces. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let me take this bad boy out. And I gotta tell you something too. Like this, see the pieces do come off from the sides. You got the longer piece in here so you can stick through here, and like, I guess if you wanna center something certain height, you can center that bad boy on there too. But man, I gotta tell you, this is stuck now. Doesn't wanna come out. But I did have it out early. I just gotta play around with it, put a little bit of WD-40 so it's not so tight. But man, the quality for just an extra $40 compared to this one, if you can afford it, this is what you need to go with. I mean, they will both last a while because, I mean, it's metal. The bearings on this one feel a little cheapy, but the bearings on this one are high class. These are really, really nice size bearings and really smooth. And plus all the work they did on this little piece up here, it makes it look so nice. But there it is, guys. This is the TRmaker center plotter. If you work with knives or whatever, I'm pretty sure you know what this is. But man, I love quality in tools, and this here is quality. I love it. Again, TRmaker, thank you guys for these outstanding tools, and thank you again for the outstanding customer service. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Just want to let you know the difference what $40 makes. So if you can't afford it, go with this one. All right, y'all. Have a blessed day. Peace.